In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to collect data from landing page forms in HubSpot. If you're looking to streamline your data collection processes and make the most out of your marketing campaigns, you're in the right place. We'll take you through this process step by step, so let's dive in. First, you'll want to navigate over to the HubSpot dashboard. Now within HubSpot, head directly to the content area by selecting content and then landing pages from the drop-down menu. This is your main hub for creating and managing all your landing pages. It's important to be familiar with this area because it's where the magic starts. Whether you're refining an existing page or setting up a brand new one, mastering this phase is crucial. Once you're there, it's time to either open an existing landing page or create a new one, depending on your needs. If you're starting fresh, creating a new page is pretty intuitive with HubSpot's drag and drop editor. You can customize it with all the elements you want to include, from text sections to images, ensuring it captures your brand's personality effectively. After your page is up and ready, the next step is to add a HubSpot form to it. HubSpot forms are powerful tools for capturing visitor information. Adding them to your page is fairly simple. Look for the form module and select the form that best suits your requirements or create a custom one if necessary. This form will be what collects all the vital data you need from your visitors, be it names, email addresses, or any other specific information to drive your business goals. Make sure the form fields are clear and tailored to what you need. This clarity encourages visitors to complete the form. Once your form is added and you're satisfied with how everything looks, it's time to publish the page. Ensuring everything is in order before going live is imperative, as you want this landing page to leave a great first impression. Once published, this page is live for your target audience to interact with. It's always good practice to double check the page on both desktop and mobile devices to ensure it displays correctly across all platforms. Finally, you'll want to view the collected data. This can be done by navigating to CRM and then contacts, or by going to marketing, selecting forms, and finally submissions. Here, you get a comprehensive view of all the data that has been submitted via your forms. It's essential to regularly review this data to gain insights into your audience and improve your campaigns continuously. And that's it. By following these steps, you'll efficiently collect data from your landing page forms in HubSpot and leverage it to maximize the impact of your marketing strategies. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below.